Nothing stands a chance.
Behind every crushed machine and shredded vehicle is a system designed to reduce impact, recover value, and keep materials in circulation. Today, we go inside the world of heavy recycling technology, where raw power meets responsibility. From a powerful earth-moving engine to twisted steel, this is where the journey ends. The Hitachi ZX series doesn't hesitate. Its bucket silently crushes decades of service, forging scrap for tomorrow. No ceremony, just raw force. One final lift, one final arc. A quiet ending to a loud legacy. Once a giant of earth moving, the CAT 621B now meets its end in a controlled recycling process. Massive claws tear through its frame, while industrial shredders reduce tons of steel into reusable fragments, showing how modern recycling transforms oversized waste into valuable resources. Built to dominate, the RGS VZ950DK stands out with its powerful dual-shaft shredder. Designed for high efficiency, it effortlessly tears through tough materials, including vehicles and heavy debris. With exceptional torque and controlled speed, it's a machine made for the hardest shredding jobs. The SSI DualShear M160 proves its scale by compressing aluminum bales into clean, uniform strips in seconds. Its slow-speed twin shafts deliver crushing torque, ripping through hardened metal, lowering operating costs, and driving recycling throughput far beyond others in its class. Industrial shredders like these chew through bulky metal in moments. Large axles, beams, and mixed scrap are reduced into uniform pieces, turning heavy waste into manageable material at record speeds. But power always raises questions. What happens if a piece of the frame is thrown free? Is the operator protected behind shielding? In environments like this, safety is not optional. It's the foundation of progress. When processing pallets, stray nails and hidden metal are inevitable. A machine must handle that punishment without constant failure. That's where systems like the Crambo 4200 come in. More power, an efficient drivetrain, and a design built to absorb abuse while running smoothly. Reliability is the real advantage. Between the roar of conveyors and the thunder of steel, a construction and demolition wasteline powered by a Zambezi shredder devours concrete, wood, and scrap with relentless force. What once looked like chaos becomes clean, reusable material, setting a new standard for modern recycling strength. In the scrap arena, the Lifor 14 turns disorder into structure. Its massive jaws seize tangled metal like prey, feeding it into a crushing chamber that compresses hulking scrap into dense, uniform blocks. Precision and brute force work together, converting waste into pure efficiency. A hybrid dual-shaft CM tire shredder transforms worn rubber into high-value material. With patented hook and cut or insert knives, it reduces knife wear dramatically while shredding, cutting, and resizing tires at industrial speed, slicing through hardened rubber as if it were paper. Not all machines stay on the highway. This mobile chipper truck thrives where others stop. With highway speed, industrial support legs, and the ability to handle logs up to 55 inches wide, it transitions from road to hillside effortlessly. Built for big jobs in tight spaces, it's designed to conquer. The S5000 doesn't slow down when scrap gets complicated. Twisted metal frames, bent sheet steel, old appliances, it crushes everything. Remote control keeps operators at a safe distance. Fewer moving parts, reduced maintenance, and simplicity makes it the kind of machine experienced operators value most. Watching a shredder swallow an entire refrigerator reveals just how much force is packed inside rotating jaws. Hundreds of pounds of metal become scrap in seconds, raising the question, what else can it handle? Steel bars that once stood against time and corrosion meet their match inside a 4-inch single-shaft shredder. Shark-like jaws chew through steel in moments, turning twisted scrap into uniform raw material, ready for a new life in manufacturing. Anyone who has worked on a production line can appreciate the coordination here. Buckets swing, conveyors roll, systems move in rhythm like a massive outdoor assembly line. Stretching hundreds of feet in every direction, it's industry in its rawest form, so large it almost feels unreal. Low-speed, high-torque shredders rip cleanly through aluminum siding and extrusions, increasing throughput while cutting preparation time. Bulky scrap becomes consistent feedstock, ready for the next stage of processing. SSI shredders flatten oversized appliances with surgical precision. Refrigerators, washing machines, carts, all compressed into dense blocks that reduce landfill volume and improve recycling efficiency with every press. Meet the red giant, the Hamel VB950DK. This mobile car shredder swallows entire vehicles and ejects clean, sortable scrap. Dual shafts and unstoppable torque turn automotive hulks into bite-sized metal in minutes, driving high-speed recycling and converting car waste into raw material value. Tire shredders like the NV series turn mountains of rubber into clean, uniform chips at extreme speed. Twin cutting rotors slice through even the largest tires, while automated conveyors maintain constant flow. High-performance engineering meets modern waste challenges. In the scrap world, massive car presses turn chaos into order. Large chambers swallow vehicles whole, and a single hydraulic stroke ejects dense, uniform bales ready for transport. Precision, power, and speed redefine recycling efficiency. Nothing is left to chance when heavy machinery moves. An ATV becomes scrap instantly under a dozer's path, leaving you to wonder if anyone thought twice about parking there. Shredding rubber is critical for addressing tire waste. Once processed, rubber can be reused for playground surfaces, athletic tracks, or molded products. It's about transforming a problematic waste stream into a valuable resource, and these machines are a core part of that solution.